Hey, my name's Lance. I'm the owner of CHT Developments and the owner of the property. I live here with my three sons, Carter, Hunter and Tommy, and our dog Stormy. They were the inspiration behind CHT from back at the start, being the initials to their name. The James Hardie products we used in the house were James Hardie Axent Panel. Used that on the exterior cladding of the house, the pool house, the minor dwelling next door, and also on the feature fireplace TV area inside, bringing that inside-outside board and batten look. We decided to build in this location, had a good feel about it, close to town, got quite a large site, basketball hoops out the front and rugby field out the side, and quiet enough and out enough to be private. We chose the James Hardie Axent Panel just more about the durability of it. Felt it was a better long-term product than the option of plywood that was floated about. It's always easier, I just explain it as the White House. For me, the thing I love about the house would be coming down the street and it just stands out.